We be rising every day. Today's video, we take a road trip snowboarding, and I share with you what I ate today. I did miss sharing my hot chocolate right at the end. That'll be for another video. There's no voiceover in this video, so just sit back and relax and enjoy the music.
Everything's gonna be alright.